Welcome back to Test Zone, everyone. Today, we're checking out the PopTech suction cup phone mount, an affordable and super convenient hands-free solution for your car or really any hard, flat surface. Inside the box, you'll find the suction cup phone mount, 2 adhesive metal rings, and a user manual. Everything you need for a quick and easy setup. You start by cleaning your dashboard or the windshield. To get the best grip, attach the suction cup to the surface, give it a little press, and flip that lock, and keeps it securely in place. You mount your phone, and you're good to go. The mount features a 360-degree rotating ball joint and an extendable arm, letting you easily switch between portrait and landscape modes. Whether you're navigating, taking hands-free calls, or controlling your music, you can position it exactly how you need. Now, if you have a MagSafe iPhone, this mount works straight out of the box. For non-MagSafe devices, you just attach one of the included metal rings to the back of the device or the case if it's a nice smooth flat surface, and the suction cup is washable, it's reusable, it makes it easy to move it between different vehicles and devices. Even on bumpy roads, tight turns, or sudden stops, this mount holds your phone securely, ensuring a safe and distraction-free driving experience. At just 25 Canadian dollars, that's like 20 bucks USD, this is a seriously good deal for a mount that offers stability and I'd say reliability. If you need a solid phone mount without breaking the bank, this one's a great pick. Click the link in the description to find the mount for sale today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support helps so much for us to reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate it so much. Thank you for watching.